Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for July, and this is Toil, Time of Your Life subscription box. As always, if you're new to this subscription and you'd like to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Toil is a monthly beauty box for women over the age of 35. It costs £35.99 a month, and that includes shipping, and they currently only ship within the UK. Inside you'll find a mix of themed products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, and also beauty tools, and every single box has a value of at least £100. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have kindly given me a discount code to share with you also if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, and that is GEEK, and that will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. Karen, the owner of Toil, is an award-winning beauty blogger and also an Amazon bestseller author. As well as running a subscription box, she also creates YouTube videos, podcasts, where she has interviews with the brands she works with on the subscription box, but also she has a huge community where women can come and discuss problems related to any issue in their life, for instance menopause, perimenopause, relationships, sexual health, body image, anything you can think of related to being a woman of certain age and upwards. Karen wants to create this subscription box not only for women who want quality beauty products, but quality beauty products that actually work from a source that has expert knowledge in this field. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to this box, including a discount code, you'll find down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we've got a little booklet here, and it's related to one of the brands that are inside the box, which I'll show you in a little while. Plus you get a leaflet, and it details everything about the products inside the box. It tells you about the theme, and it tells you the value of the box, so I refer to this as we go along. You might not be able to see much yet, but here's a sneak peek. This month's box concentrates on legs, feet and toes. July means that pretty much all of us have got our legs out, even if we're not going on holiday. This month we explore the most outstanding products for legs and feet, well in my opinion anyway. Silky shins, pedicured feet, super soft soles. Check out my how-to guide on the back page for great results. There's a big list there. And this month's box has a value of £104.88. First up, we have got Refreshing After Sun Milk. Sensitive skin, moisturises, soothes and prolongs a tan, and we've got 100 ml here. And this is by a brand, Bioderma. I'm factor 50 all over, but I'm a fake tan type of person, so I don't have a natural tan whatsoever. I've had melanoma in the past, so obviously I've got to be careful, but I just love the feeling if I've been sat outside, mainly on holiday really. when the weather is like mid-30s or something like that, which is really hard going, but yeah, putting an after sun, after cream on your skin afterwards is so nice. Blabbing on there, it feels really nice, and it feels nice and cooling on my hands, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. It is really lovely. You will receive one of two products. You'll receive either this, which is the After Sun for £7.99, or the Bioderma Photoderm Max SPF 50 Sun Mist. Oh, that would have been lovely, especially as I am a factor 50 person. You will either get one or the other, not both, but Bioderma is an outstanding leader in sun care, and these body products are a superb intro to the brand. So yeah, so that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a Firming Leg Serum by Margaret Dabs London, and this is Fabulous Legs, 200 ml here. That is one thing I never ever use. I've got like tan, like moisturising cream with a bit of a tan to put on my legs, or like body lotion, etc. But I've never used anything specifically for firming up my legs. Never have done. Okay, a powerful formulation for the legs contains ligans to help reduce water retention, tone and firm the legs, whilst diminishing the appearance of cellulite and V-tonic complex, which helps to stimulate circulation, aid venous decongestion and relieve heavy legs. Also with zingiber, oh my gosh, why are these words so hard? Also with zingiber Serum extract argan oil and Abyssinian oil to hydrate and promote skin elasticity. This lightweight anti-aging serum gives an instant cooling, energizing and illuminating effect, refining the look of legs from the first application. It says use daily in the morning and evening to help relieve puffy, tired, heavy legs. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? It sounds like a really lovely product. Try a little bit on my hand there. I'm not going to get my pasty white and slightly hairy legs out for the camera. Oh, it's nice. It smells, it's like lemon and peppermint. Oh, eucalyptus even? I don't know. Yeah, it feels really nice on my skin. It feels really nice and cooling as well. This luxury serum helps reduce water retention, tones and firms, reduces the appearance of cellulite and relieves heavy legs. And the recommended retail price is £45. So yeah. So you got a leg serum there. Next you got something for the heels. This is Dermatonics Heel Balm for rough, dry and cracked heels and feet with hydrating Manuka honey. Visible results in 1 day, naturally smooth. 60 mils. I have got a really bad habit of walking bare feet everywhere. Yeah, my feet aren't the best, unfortunately. But yeah, visible results in 1 day though. Wow. Apply the heel balm twice a day to rough, hard, dry skin on your feet to minimise risk of cracking. Do not use on broken skin. Let me try a little bit there. Yeah. Really nice thick cream there. Oh my gosh, it smells gorgeous. Am I still smelling the after sun? Oh, that's the thing, see? With only having 2 hands. Yeah, I'm sure it's this. This is, oh, it's lovely. It is a really, really nice smell. I really like that. Packed with Manuka honey, cracked heels begin healing within just 1 day. The recommended retail price is £5.99. So there's that. Next we've got a body lotion, and this is Urban Veda Natural Skincare Rose and Botanics Reviving Body Lotion. It contains replenishing rose, pomegranate extract, essential fatty acid, rich oil. And we've got 250 mils there. The recommended retail price for this body lotion is £12.99, and it says body moisturiser infused with botanicals offer an all-over silkiness with a soothing scent of rose and botanics. Now, unfortunately for me, I don't like the scent of rose, which I'm sure all of you know because I bang on about it all the time. But it depends. It depends what type of rose. Rose damask flower. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is quite a rosy scent, but it's actually, it's one of the nicer rosy scents. It's a fresh smelling rose. It's a type of rose scent that if I had a bunch of roses here, that sort of scent, which I don't mind. I don't mind that at all. It's like the old-fashioned type scent rose that is in a lot of products that I can't stand. So would you put that serum then? Let's see on the back here. So you'd put that serum on your legs first, and then you go over your legs and the rest of your body with this. Yeah, basically. That's what it says on the how-to on the back there. It's got a body lotion. Next we've got a body polish, and this is by Kure Bazaar. That colour is absolutely stunning. Now as you can see, I've got fake nails. They're gels, which I have done every couple of weeks in a salon. But I do like nail polishes because I do paint my toenails, even though they look awful. They do look better with nail polish on them than bare natural nail. But yeah, I love that colour. That is a perfect colour for summer, isn't it? Yeah, really, really nice. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, so that's something new. The best-selling summer colour for 2021. This polish is vegan, 90% natural and 10 free, making it one of the best options for healthy nails, and the recommended retail price is £15. So there's that. There we got a foot file by Leighton. I've got a little hole there so you can hang it up somewhere if needs be. Oh yeah, I love the design of it, very simple. But it's just like sandpaper. It is just like sandpaper. Oh. So you start off, there's a rough side here. So you start off filing with a rough and then you finish with a smoother side. It says dual buffing foot file, perfect for buffing away dead skin to reveal gorgeously soft soles. And the recommended retail price for this file is £6. Next we've got a Gatineau Exfoliating Mitt. I was thinking then it hasn't got a thing to put my hand in. How that is quite awkward. But no, look. it's a mitt, put your hand in it. So again, like the foot file, you've got two different textures here. This is softer and this is more textured. It says perfect for smoothing shins. This mitt gently exfoliates dry skin, leaving legs and body silky smooth. And the recommended retail price for this mitt is £12. Lastly, we've got a product by Slow Aging. This is Essential Body and Face Exfoliating Polish. Oh, that makes sense actually with these. I should have done this first. And this is a little booklet that I mentioned at the start. It's a really interesting book actually. It shows you how to self-massage for your skin application, and then it tells you all about the different products in their range. So yeah, a nice little booklet. But this is an added freebie. It says here, we are thrilled to include Slow Aging's Essential Body and Face Exfoliating Polish as a treat exclusively for existing subscribers in our July box. This is the perfect partner for legs this month and works brilliantly with the enclosed body mitt to smooth, improve circulation and fragrance legs beautifully. They're also giving you 25% off all their products direct at their website, www.slowaging.co.uk. So do take a look at this brilliant brand and enjoy with their compliments. It says about this product then, for a true summer glow, dead skin cells need to be buffed away regularly. The Essential Face and Body Exfoliating Polish is an ultra hydrating, multitasking blend of ginger essential oil, natural orange and pomegranate exfoliants to re-energize and tone both face and body. And it just says you get to use the mitt alongside. So we've got here 20 grams. So this is like a little added extra. Regular subscribers. Oh, there's usually a freebie of some sorts in this box as well. We usually get something or little samples. You see that? It just looks like coffee ice cream. Oh my word. The actual cream itself feels amazing. And the bits are not really harsh, you know, grainy. They're not going to scratch your legs basically, which is, yeah, what I tend to look out for. It smells like cake mix. It feels really, really creamy. Oh, what a lovely added extra. So yeah, so we got that. So those are all the products inside this month's Toil box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Margaret Dabs Firming Leg Serum, Bioderma Refreshing After Sun Milk. You'll either receive this one or the SPF 50 spray. Veda Reviving Body Lotion. Dermatonics Heal Balm. We've got a Kure Bazaar Nail Polish. We've got a Leighton Foot File. And lastly, we've got a Gatineau Exfoliating Body Mitt. And as an added extra for regular subscribers, we've got a Slow Aging Exfoliating Scrub there. So the cost of the box is £35.99 including shipping, and it has a value of over £104. You're welcome to use my code GEEK for £5 off your first box if you're interested in this box, but if there's any other codes lying around, you're welcome to use those too. You don't have to use mine. But yeah, I'm really grateful to Karen for sending this box out to me. It's one of the subscription boxes that I really look forward to receiving, basically because it's for women of my age. Is that I know that she has chosen things specifically for me, if you know what I mean. It feels more personal then. I've got to be honest, I do neglect my legs and my feet. I just slap on a bit of nail polish and that is generally it. Okay, I might shave them now and again. Generally, I don't do that much to them. But to have a box solely for my feet and my legs, I think it's really lovely. I do really like this month's theme. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's theme? I'm curious in knowing what you think of it and whether this is a box for you or not. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.